In this video, we will be learning about the importance of patterns. For this activity, you will need paper plates of different colors, a black marker, and a baby blanket. This activity is for babies 0 to 3 months and will enhance social emotional development by stimulating the baby's curiosity, forming stronger eye and brain connections, teaching the baby how to interact with others, learn about her own abilities, and trust. To do this activity, you will begin by drawing patterns on the paper plates. These patterns can look like stripes or dots. Followed by placing your baby on her back, on the baby blanket, and in front of you. You can engage your baby by calling her by her name or gently touching her cheek until she looks at you. Once you have your baby's attention, hold a paper plate approximately 10 to 20 inches away from the baby. Then gently move the plate from side to side, up and down, and allow it for time of practice of tracking. Engage your baby in this activity by talking to her. Say something such as, "Look," make it personal, add her name to that line. Describe the patterns and colors on the plates. And as you engage in this process of learning, ask her what she sees. And when your baby responds with a smile, point this out and celebrate what your baby is feeling in that moment and celebrate how well she responded to the activity. Remember, this is a special time between you and your baby. And as you notice an increase in response from your baby, you can add other concepts, such as tummy time and patterns, which will foster large gross motor development, and also expand on receptive language development by adding other themes of your interest to the patterns. Lastly, playtime at an early age helps create confidence in the new world of your baby and allows her to feel loved, saved, and valued.